No, your eyes aren't deceiving you. That's a cat, and yes, he's surfing. While most cats run from water, Toby runs right for it. With surfboard in hand, Toby and his owner Teddy Townsend head into the waves in Ormond by the Sea. Toby's been surfing for about 6 months, and even a nasty wipeout doesn't slow this cat down. He goes right back for more. Townsend says Toby's a natural in the ocean.
I jog on the beach with him at night, and he used to run in the water with me. And I just started taking him out in the water. He surfs, I don't surf.
Now, as you might expect, Toby draws a crowd to watch his surfing prowess.
I've never seen anything like that before in my life. I've had to have seen it. I could not listen to anybody tell me this. I would not believe it.
I think it's great. I can't believe a cat will do this.
Not being a surfer myself, I went to an expert to see how Toby was doing.
Still needs some progress riding the wall, but as far as going straight in, he's pretty good.
If you think Toby's just living the surfer's life, think again. He's got other hobbies. Townsend says Toby rides around with him on his motorcycle, and he also rides horses. After seeing him surf, somehow I don't doubt that.